Hmm, good evening, all of you. I hope you are very well. And on previous lecture, I have discussed about the octane number, what is detonations, cause of detonations, effect of detonations, how to calculate the octane number of um, SI engine, basically in petrol engine. Yeah, what is the good quality of the fuel, how can find out. On previous lecture I have discussed about this. On In this lecture I will discuss about rating of rating of SI engine fuel by C10 C10 number. Okay, so generally the to find out the rating of the SI engine fuel by Cetane number. Cetane number, as we saw, the detonation in petrol engine as same as that in diesel engine also it has been happened. Might be chance to detonate the cylinder, also the piston engine. Okay, there is some reason behind of this. There also the some reason is that design of the engine cylinder, also the lake ignition. Lake ignition is nothing but ignition lake. Let's see what is Cetane number. Cetane number is the quality of this fuel by which we can find out whether the fuel is good or bad for detonate detonate the engine. If the fuel quality is very good too much, the Cetane number also be good, and there is might be no chance to detonate. Okay, the Cetane number, how can we calculate? How can we calculate Cetane number? The 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 fuel of the diesel engine, it is the mainly composition of the cetane and also alpha methyl ethane, alpha methyl naphthalene, sorry, alpha methyl naphthalene. So the fuel is the combination is on C10 and alpha methyl na sorry naphthalene, alpha methyl naphthalene. Okay, if the cetane number is very good quality, the cetane we let take this as same as that in we saw in octane number. How in calculation of on calculation of octane number we can see same as if the cetane number is 60% and alpha naphthalene is 40% in volume, then we say might be it is the fuel quality by cetane number is 40. Okay, sorry, cetane number is 60. We can say the fuel quality is moderate. there might be chance or might be moderate chance, there might be moderate chance to detonate the engine. Okay, if the Cetane number is 80, 80 to 100, so we can say the fuel quality is very good. There is no chance to detonate the engines. Let's see if the fuel quality is a Cetane number 80. So Cetane will be, sorry, Cetane 80 percentage, and alpha methyl naphthalenes will be 20 percentage. So that this fuel is very good quality. Okay. this this is very important. This is a very important topics. We have to know, have to aware of this. Sometimes we say, no, we say the engine, the sound of the engine is too much high. Why? Obviously, there is the fuel quality is too much, not for very good. There might be chance to detonate the engines. That's why the engine is sound is too much high. And also we came to understand, so we came to know that in case of petrol engine, we can the octane number is very poor. That's why the detonation in engine is too much high. Or in case of diesel engines, the Cetane number is very good but very poor. It may be also that, so that engine is detonates. If the Cetane numbers or octane number is too much high or in good conditions, very fine, there's been no chance to detonate the engines. Okay, this is a, it's the two main important things. The in generally in petrol engine, the Cetane number is available, um, is 80 percentage, 80 to 100% is available. Okay. Okay, thank you.